In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a project, token, or exchange on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're looking to list a brand new cryptocurrency, submit an exchange, or add a trading pair, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by visiting the CoinMarketCap website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter coinmarketcap.com into the address bar, then press enter. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll find the footer. CoinMarketCap offers a wealth of information that can be quite helpful, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with where everything is on this page. Now that you're in the footer section, look for the option that says Get Listed in the footer menu. Click on this link. Doing so will direct you to the official listing guidelines and forums on CoinMarketCap. This page is your gateway to getting your project or exchange on this widely recognized platform. Understanding your options here is crucial, so take a moment to review the different categories available on this page. First off, if you're introducing a new project or token, you'll want the Coin Token Listing Request. This option is specifically tailored to those launching a new digital currency. If you're operating an exchange and would like it to be featured on CoinMarketCap, take a look at the exchange listing request. Similarly, if you want to add more trading pairs to an existing listing, the market pair request is the avenue to explore. Deciding on the correct category is important as it ensures a smooth application process. Having chosen the right listing type for your needs, it's time to fill out the respective form. This stage involves providing accurate and comprehensive project details. Start with the project or exchange name, as clarity here can avoid confusion later. Then list your official website and, if applicable, your white paper to help CoinMarketCap verify your authenticity. Supplementary social media links such as Twitter, Telegram, or any other platform can lend more credibility as they showcase active community interaction. If you're listing a token, don't overlook including the contract address. It's essential for verification purposes. For those working with exchanges, you'll need to specify the active trading markets you intend to list. And, importantly, make sure you provide a valid contact email so CoinMarketCap can reach you for any further queries or confirmation. Once you've double-checked all entries for accuracy, go ahead and submit your request. This final step officially puts your listing into play. While waiting for a response, it's advisable to keep an eye on your email for any communications from CoinMarketCap. With dedication and precision, your project can soon join the ranks of successful listings on this platform. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below.